was good, but the problem that Upper Sandusky presents to you is because of the pace they play at, you got to score in order to get in that pressure, and they make that difficult because the possessions are limited. So, you know, it's kind of the same thing that we talked about. You know, some little things throughout the game make a big difference. So we just got to get better at some of those little things, and we can be really, really good. So, you know, we put ourselves behind the 8 ball in the league. They put themselves in a position that they want to be in, but as I told them, you know, there's still a lot of games to be played in the league. They still got to play Winford and Gallion and Buckeye. We go to Buckeye on Saturday, so we just got to try to get better tomorrow and be better on Saturday, and then let the cards fall where they may.
Thank you, Coach. Appreciate your time, man. Again, another tough loss on the road here for Ontario in this Thursday night makeup game as they fall in a very low-scoring contest, 32-29. They will be back on the floor at Saturday at Buckeye Central. You can catch that one on our WOHZ Game of the Week with replays on Sunday and Monday. For Chris Metcalf and Tom Rivnak, I'm Brian Skronsky. We'll see you next time.